Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY body mist that is very hydrating for the skin, and it is perfect for beginners. This is a simple formula and this can be used both in the summer and winter months. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and start by adding some distilled water to my beaker. Now we all know that water is really great for hydration, but when it comes to using it on the skin, it not only hydrates but conditions as well. This next ingredient that I'll be adding is known as propanediol. This is very moisturizing, and when applied to the skin, it will make the skin feel very smooth and satiny. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some aloe vera liquid. This is great for moisturizing the skin as it contains lots of enzymes, minerals, and amino acids. After I added the aloe vera, I'm going to go ahead and add some jasmine hydrosol. Not only will this give it a nice floral scent, but it helps to really moisturize and soften the skin, giving the skin a nice, youthful appearance. Because I don't want any mold or any bacteria growing in this body mist, I'm adding some Liquidermal Plus. This is a broad spectrum preservative. This next step I find very important, especially when making skincare products, and that is just simply taking the time to stir everything together. You want to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. Now that everything has been stirred nicely, it's time to go ahead and pour everything that is here in my beaker into my container. Now, I will try to see if I can find something similar to what I'm using here, and I will link it down below this video. I find that this is the perfect size to hold this body mist. I wanted to go ahead and show you real quick what this body mist looks like applied to the skin. It does dry fairly fast and it leaves the skin feeling nice and hydrated. Here's the formula for this hydrating body mist. Now you can tell that there's only a few ingredients that I would recommend as far as substitutions. And when it comes to hydrosols, I would recommend that lavender hydrosol would be the best choice, and that is simply because lavender is very soothing and hydrating on the skin. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.